Hello everyone, this is Advocate Priyanka and I'm here to discuss a very important case law which is about S. Khushbu versus Kanaimal and Another. So why is this case important? Because in this case certain important aspects of the society has been discussed, which is premarital sex, live-in relationship, defamation and freedom of speech and expression. So सबसे पहले ये केस में क्या हुआ, let us understand that. So in this case, Khushbu, who is a very famous South Indian actress, was interviewed and asked about her views on premarital sex. So she, in her acceptance of premarital sex, in the context of live-in relationship, of course, said that it is okay, and she also stated adequate precautions, to avoid unwanted diseases. Now, coming this out of a famous personality, people started blowing it out of proportion, and various cases under various sections were filed against her. Section 499, 500, 504, 505, 509 of the IPC, and under Section 4 and 6 of Indecent Representation of Women Prohibition Act, cases were filed against her. So she moved the High Court, but in vain. She then approached the Supreme Court, and there all the sections were quashed against her, stating that this is not defamation. Whatever she stated is not obscenity. She did not state it, to cause disharmony in the society. So ये सारे blames उन पे लगे थे. Also, she did not, show a certain gender or a certain section of the society in bad light. जैसे लोगों ने कहा कि उन्होंने औरतों को बहुत ख़राब लाइट में शोकेस किया है, which is not correct of course. ये पूरा उनका जो स्टेटमेंट था, यहाँ पे ये चीज़ कहीं पे भी नहीं निकल के आती. So, the parties couldn't prove it of course, and the Supreme Court opined in the positive. Now यहाँ पे what we need to understand are few things. One is premarital sex. Of course ये individual to individual depend करता है. जितना women के लिए important होना चाहिए उतना ही men के लिए भी important होना चाहिए, being virgin. So whatever it is or it depends from person to person, individual to individual. तो उस पर कोई comment नहीं कर सकता. Second important thing is freedom of speech and defamation. Now, freedom of speech and defamation mein there is a very thin line, okay? I have been given the right or freedom of speech and expression by the constitution of the country. Doesn't mean मेरे जो भी मुंह में आएगा, जो भी मन में आएगा, मैं किसी के भी बारे में बोलूँगी. Defamation means मैं intentionally किसी का reputation खराब कर रही हूँ, जानबूझ के ऐसे स्टेटमेंट्स पास कर रही हूँ, या तो ओरली या तो इन रिटर्न फॉर्म, विच कैन कॉज हार्म टू द रेप्यूटेशन ऑफ समबडी. ये करना और फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन में बहुत अंतर होता है. फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन मुझे अपने ओपिनियंस पुट अक्रॉस करने का राइट देता है, जो मेरे पास है, बट देर इज़ अ थिन लाइन जो हमको समझना है. आर्टिकल 19 मुझे ये राइट दे रहा है, बट मेरे फ्रीडम के वजह से किसी और को हार्म होना अलाउड नहीं है. Also, this case spoke about, few very important aspects of today's society. जैसे live in relationship. We all know live in relationship is not a crime, of course. But again, we have seen so many cases जो इसके वजह से हुए हैं, positive and negative. So basically this depends on individual, क्या सही है क्या गलत है. After you are an adult, हम सब ये चीज़ समझ सकते हैं. So nobody should be teaching these things. बट उसका समझ होना इन अ पॉजिटिव मैनर. प्लस वी आर इन अ सोसाइटी, हमारा कल्चर और हमारे सोसाइटी को हमको लेके चलना पड़ता है. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग्स. नाउ अगेन इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस उनके ऊपर से सारे केसेस हटा दिए गए, बट ये चीज़ों को, this is a matter of 2010. Even in 2023, to accept certain things in the society is very difficult for people. So all the best to all of them कि आपको change होना ही पड़ेगा according to the changes which is happening in the society. And for the changing people कि थोड़ा आराम से change होते हैं, there is no घाई in changing. So with this I'll put an end to my case study for today, and if there are any queries or anything which you would want to discuss, you can do it in the comment section. So thank you so much for listening to me.